Now how we're going to get to the witch's castle? We need to get across the river, but there's no bridge. Abracadabra. A boat.
Drum, chicken.
Oh, made it to the witch's castle. There's the witch. But where's the witch? But where's the witch? Uh-oh. I think I hear. It's the witch! Who are you? What do you want? But Mr. Witch, you'll be scaring everyone. Help! Put me down! Look, we have to save Momotaro! I will save him. No, I will save him.
What?
It's 3/4 the whole piece of paper.
But we have to rescue the princess. But there's still a problem. He's a bat. Abracadabra.
Can Vicky rescue the princess?
We made it to the party. Let's count how many presents we found.
Can Vicky go to the party?
Yes.
Put Vicky in the party. And Nicole. Can Nicole go
Since
too?
we found. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. We found 6 presents.
What's that say?
Hooray!
I found 1 present for my babies.